In this video, we replace the third brake light and resolve the check brake light error that seemingly comes and goes on its own on the Porsche Cayenne. The error message is caused by faulty solder joints inside of the third brake light that crack over time and with age. The electrical connections rattle, disconnect, and cause the intermittent check brake light's error message. Even though it can appear the third brake light is working, the connection inside is loose, which causes the error message. Open the rear hatch glass window. If yours doesn't stay up, see this video where we replace all 4 gas struts so the hatch and glass window both stay open. On the top, now bottom, of the glass window, there are 3 plastic caps. Using a plastic pry tool, remove them. This reveals 3 T30 Torx bolts. We removed the 3 Torx bolts we located. They are T30s. On newer Cayennes, there are likely T20 Torx bolts on the bottom corners of the spoiler. Remove the rubber covers to find them. Remove the single Torx bolt at each corner. Remove the spoiler, aka wing, pivot it, and slide it off. Something might fall down. That's deteriorated foam from the wiring. Disconnect the windshield washer nozzle integrated into the brake light by pulling up on the connector. Be careful not to pull on the tubing to avoid damaging this connector. Remove the 2 Torx screws on either side of the brake light. Disconnect the brake light electrical connector by pulling up on the tab and pulling the connector back. Unseat the 2 electrical connectors on the top of the brake light. At this point, the brake light is maneuverable and is pivoted out of position, free of the spoiler base. Installation is the reverse. We pivot the new brake light into position, reconnect its electrical connector, reconnect the washer fluid nozzle, reseat the 2 electrical connectors on top of it, and reinstall the 2 T20 Torx screws, being careful not to over-tighten them because that can cause plastic tabs to break. This connector gets seated back on here with foam so that it doesn't rattle. This foam disintegrates. Reinstall the spoiler by aligning the 2 clips at the back and pivoting it on and reseating it. The Torx bolt holes should align at the bottom. Reinstall the Torx bolts, replace the rubber covers on the Torx screws at the corners, and reinstall the plastic caps. Carefully tighten them up. Reinstall these plastic pins. The new third brake light is nice and bright, but to be honest, I couldn't tell much of a difference. I thought the old brake light was nice and bright as well. I'm relieved at the annoying check brake light message being gone, especially because it would repeatedly beep and be really annoying. So I'm glad that's resolved and I'm returning to peaceably driving my Cayenne. Thanks for watching.